Hey everyone, it's making noise. Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery for the keyless remote on your car. This one is a Honda Odyssey 2018, and it should be the same as the other Honda brands. So I'm gonna show you how to change the battery. Alright, this is the key fob for my Honda Odyssey. It should be the same way for other Honda models. First thing you need to do is flip it over, unlock the key, so unlock that, pull. It's simple enough. Now in here, there's a slot in here, and I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Let me zoom in. There it is, you can see it now. See this thing here? Slide your key in the middle. Slide the key and it should pry open. If I can get it in there. And I believe this one uses a CR2032, and it does. It uses a CR2032. So if you have a Honda Odyssey, you could get the battery first before you replace it. This one is a Panasonic CR2032, and I already have this type of battery. I've been buying them a lot, so in the last sale, so I'm gonna replace it now. Alright, here's the replacement. I have two left. I'm gonna have to buy some more. And this is a new charger version. It doesn't matter as long as it says 2032. So don't get confused. The other ones is the same type but a different number. Alright, so in order to remove the battery, either you get a small screwdriver or even a guitar pick will work. I'm using a push pin for a micro SD card on the phone. So just push it on this side slowly and it should pop out. There you go. Now get your battery, remove that cover thing, positive up, same orientation as the old one, push it down, and basically that's it. Now put the cover back on, just snap it in and you're good to go. Put the key back in the hole right there, and that's it. Now let's go see I'll go to my car and see if it's still giving me that low battery on the dashboard. Look at the dashboard. Start the car. And no more warning. So that's how you change the battery on your key fob for your Honda. This is the version. It's a Honda Odyssey. This model is, but it's probably the same way as other Honda cars. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.